A team of Rutgers undergraduates has found that an experimental drug called Yoda-1 may assist in draining cranial waste and neurotoxins linked to Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. The study focused on a cranial facial disorder, craniosynostosis, which increases pressure inside the skull and impairs the brain's lymphatic and glymphatic systems responsible for draining waste. The drug Yoda-1, which activates a force-sensing ion channel known as piezo-1, reduced intracranial pressure and improved lymphatic and glymphatic functions in mouse models, potentially offering a new avenue for Alzheimer's treatment.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.